Today we're going to show you how to pair a remote to the Force Kraken Trolling Motor. The remote control comes with your Force Kraken Trolling Motor and is paired at the factory, but you may need to pair them again if the connection is lost. Start by installing the batteries into the back of the remote control. Turn the D-ring counterclockwise and pull up to remove the cover. Insert two AA batteries, observing polarity. Replace the battery cover and turn the D-ring clockwise. Then turn on the Force Kraken Trolling Motor. Ensure the trolling motor fully powers on before attempting to pair your remote. Then press the power button 3 times rapidly to enter pairing mode. The sync light on the trolling motor display panel will illuminate blue as it searches for a connection. Bring the remote control within 3 feet of the display panel. Turn on the remote control using the power button on the side of the remote. Then select Menu, Settings, Remote Control, Pairing, and Pair. Select Start. The sync light on the trolling motor display panel will illuminate green when paired successfully. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.